Hello friends and welcome back. Today I'm going to show you a simple natural drink that many men use to support circulation, energy, and overall male vitality. If you stay with me until the end, you'll see how just a few common ingredients from your kitchen can be combined into a powerful morning drink. Let's get started. The first ingredient is garlic. Take 3 cloves of garlic and peel off the skin. Garlic has been trusted for generations as a natural ingredient that supports healthy blood circulation. And when it comes to male vitality, circulation plays a very important role. Here's the simple idea. For the body to function at its best, blood needs to flow freely through the blood vessels. Garlic contains natural compounds that help support the health of those blood vessels, allowing blood to move more efficiently through the body. This is one reason garlic has also been widely used to support heart health, because the heart and circulation system work together to deliver oxygen and nutrients throughout the body. Now take the peeled garlic and grate it on a fine grater. Grating the garlic is important because it activates powerful natural compounds inside the garlic. Once it becomes a paste, let it rest for about 1 minute before using it. This short resting time allows certain natural compounds to form, making garlic even more active and easier for the body to absorb. Traditional home remedies often emphasize this small step, believing it helps wake up the garlic before using it. Now transfer the grated garlic into a glass. This will be the foundation of our drink. The next ingredient is fresh ginger. Cut a small piece of ginger and carefully peel off the skin. Ginger has been used around the world for centuries to support natural energy, warmth in the body, and healthy circulation. Many men especially appreciate ginger because it can help the body feel more active and less stiff, which becomes more important as we get older. Now grate the ginger on a fine grater as well. Fresh ginger releases its natural juices when grated, and that's exactly what we want. These juices contain natural compounds that can help support circulation and digestion. In traditional remedies, ginger was often used to help warm the body from the inside, especially during colder seasons or times when extra energy was needed. Once grated, add the ginger into the glass with the garlic. These 2 ingredients already create a very powerful natural base. Now let's add the next ingredient. Take 1 tablespoon of coffee and add it to the glass. Coffee in small amounts can gently stimulate the nervous system and help the body feel more alert and energized. It also contains natural antioxidants that help support the health of blood vessels and protect them from daily stress. Many people think of coffee only as a drink to wake up in the morning. But historically, small amounts of coffee were sometimes used as a strength drink before physical work. Now mix the coffee together with the garlic and ginger. Stir well so the ingredients combine evenly. Next, pour hot water into the glass. The heat helps release the natural aromas and beneficial compounds from the ingredients. Stir the mixture thoroughly until the coffee dissolves completely. Take your time here. Stir along the sides and bottom of the glass so everything blends smoothly. Once it's mixed well, we'll move to the next step. Now strain the drink through a fine sieve. This removes the solid pieces of garlic and ginger, leaving you with a smoother, lighter drink that's easier on the stomach. Take your time and press the mixture gently so all the liquid passes through. This way, none of the beneficial ingredients go to waste. Now let's add some freshness. Take a fresh lemon. Squeeze a small amount of lemon juice into the drink. Lemon not only adds a refreshing taste, but it also supports digestion and can help the body absorb nutrients more effectively. Fresh lemon juice has long been used in warm drinks because it helps stimulate natural digestive enzymes and balances strong flavors. Finally, we add the last ingredient, 1 spoon of natural honey. Honey has been valued for centuries as a source of steady natural energy. Unlike refined sugar, honey provides a smoother release of energy and also contains natural antioxidants. It helps balance the stronger flavors of garlic and ginger, making the drink much more pleasant to consume. Add the honey and stir the drink gently until everything blends together. Now let's quickly look at how these ingredients work together. Garlic supports healthy blood circulation, which is essential for overall male function. Ginger helps the body feel warmer, more energized, and supports circulation. Coffee provides a gentle boost of alertness and natural antioxidants. Lemon helps the body absorb nutrients and supports digestion. And honey adds steady energy and balances the flavor of the drink. For best results, drink this mixture in the morning on an empty stomach. You don't need to drink it every day. 2 or 3 times per week is usually enough. Consistency matters more than quantity. Many people say they begin to notice positive changes after 2 to 3 weeks of regular use. If you found this video helpful and enjoy learning simple natural health tips, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Your support helps me continue sharing useful and practical information with you. And if you'd like to see more videos about natural ways to support men's health, let me know in the comments. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.